severe thunderstorm
The
warning.
National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Saluda County in central South Carolina, southwestern Lexington County in central South Carolina, north central Aiken County in central South Carolina until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, see, that's why our
And
alarm
to
went off.
16 p.m. Eastern Daylight
There's
Time, a
Lexington.
severe thunderstorm was located just west of Batesburg-Leesville, moving east at 20
Oh,
miles per hour.
Batesburg,
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Batesburg, Leesville, Gilbert, Summit, and Loretta. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm.
There will probably be more as the afternoon goes on. There's a watch out now until 9 o'clock Eastern time for where I live. Look at this. This line's still going strong in Kentucky. And look at all the warnings. Look at all this. This is a lot of warnings. And they're probably going to get more numerous. Whoa. Green, Hancock, Putnam. Okay, I'm going to open the second window and head down to Georgia. There's the watch. There's a moderate risk out for South Dakota because they're going to have another high wind event. It's mainly for Pierre, east to Sioux Falls, and maybe Sioux City. And they've got enhanced risk up for tomorrow, but I wouldn't be shocked if that got upgraded to moderate because of the huge land amount of real estate that's covered in that. Time to head to Robins Air Force Base. That might be a good one. Okay, eastern Putnam County in central Georgia, southern Greene County in east central Georgia, northwestern Hancock County in east central Georgia. That's probably what I'm going to say. And southern Tolliver County, extreme southwestern Tolliver County. Yeah, northwest Hancock, southeast Greene, northern southwest Tolliver, and northeastern Putnam for a storm east of Eatonton. And that got issued about a half hour ago. But one last thing. I wouldn't be shocked if they put a small, a small moderate risk out in that area. You see how large that thing is? I'm thinking they're going to start off in Minnesota and then just come through Iowa and Illinois' squall line. So I wouldn't be shocked if they did put a small or decently sized moderate risk out for that area tomorrow.